name is Sean, and I'm actually currently at the Cochin airport after 2 weeks travel in the state of Kerala. This travel was planned by Sam's Travels, and it was an excellent time for my wife and I. We spent time in the city of Kochi. We then went to Palakkad, then spent time in Munnar, and then finished up in Thekedi. And throughout the entire way, Prince Sam Wilson was an excellent guide, an excellent agent. He is able to connect us to some really excellent places to stay, as well as be very, very flexible with the schedule changes and catering the experience to what we wanted to do. We were also grouped up with an excellent driver named Ramesh, who's from Thekedi area. And throughout that entire time, he was really, really fantastic with us. Again, flexible with our schedule and interested in getting us connected to the types of experiences that we wanted. Next time my wife and I come to the state of Kerala in India, we're definitely going to be booking with Sam's Travels again, as well as recommending to any friends or family who are going. I had a fantastic time, and I'm very, very happy to have used Sam's Travels. Thank you.